In this video, we will look at a few examples to practice working with reflection symmetry. In example A, it says to find all lines of symmetry for the shape below. Remember that if a shape has a line of symmetry, that means it must have reflection symmetry. And a line of symmetry is a line where you could fold the shape across that line and have it exactly match up. Or in other words, you could reflect the shape across the line and have it look exactly the same. So for example, this line down the middle is a line of symmetry because you could reflect the shape across the line and the right half here of the rectangle would become the left half of the rectangle, and the left half of the rectangle would become the right half of the rectangle, and you wouldn't be able to tell that anything happened. There's also a line of symmetry down the middle in the other direction horizontally, because you could also fold or reflect the rectangle across that line and have it look exactly the same. The diagonals are not lines of symmetry, although you might think that they are. If you draw in that line, you'll notice that, for example, this part right here, if you were to fold it, would not become this part right here. It would actually go more like this in order to be the exact mirror image of where it was before. So since it doesn't match up exactly each half over that line, this is not a line of symmetry. So the rectangle only has two lines of symmetry. Example B, does the figure below have reflection symmetry? So a figure or a shape has reflection symmetry if there exists at least one line of symmetry across which you could flip the shape and have it look exactly the same. So it looks like right down the middle here is a line of symmetry because it looks like the shape or the flower is exactly the same pretty much on either half of that line. So I would say that yes, it does have reflection symmetry because this line of symmetry exists. Example C, does this figure have reflection symmetry? So same idea, we're looking for if there's a line that we could fold or reflect the shape across and have it look exactly the same. And it looks like it's the same as last time. You could fold down the middle here, and each half of this butterfly would match up with the other half, so that if you reflected it, you wouldn't be able to tell that we actually flipped it at all. It would look exactly the same. So yes, this butterfly does have reflection symmetry.